Mastering Style, the art of combining shoes with clothes. Welcome back, fashion enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of 999 Accessories. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of style and self-expression with a focus on the art of combining shoes with clothes, basic rules. So, if you've ever found yourself standing in front of your closet, pondering the perfect shoe-clothing pairing, you're in the right place. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's establish the golden rule: balance is key. Achieving harmony between your shoes and outfit can elevate your entire look to a whole new level. So, without further ado, let's explore the essential guidelines to master this art. Rule number 1. Consider the occasion. Your choice of footwear should align with the setting and purpose of your outfit. For a casual day out, opt for stylish sneakers or loafers. If you're heading to a formal event, classic dress shoes are a safe bet. Remember, the right shoes can make a powerful statement about your personal style, so choose wisely. Moving on to rule number 2, coordinate colors. Matching your shoes with the dominant color in your outfit creates a cohesive and polished look. However, don't be afraid to experiment with complementary hues or contrasting tones for a bold and unique style. Just ensure there's a method to the madness, and you'll be turning heads for all the right reasons. Now, let's delve into rule number 3, understand proportions. Different shoe styles work best with specific clothing lengths. For example, ankle boots pair well with skirts and dresses, while longer pants often complement classic Oxfords. Pay attention to the overall silhouette you want to achieve, and let the proportions guide your choices. Rule number 4 is all about minding the details. Small elements, such as hardware, embellishments, or textures on your shoes, can add a touch of personality to your ensemble. Keep an eye out for these subtle details, and use them to enhance the overall vibe of your outfit. Sometimes, it's the little things that make the biggest impact. Last, but certainly not least, rule number 5, experiment and have fun. Fashion is all about expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Mix and match different shoe styles with various outfits, and discover what resonates with your unique taste. Remember, the art of combining shoes with clothes is a journey, not a destination. And there you have it, our guide to mastering the art of combining shoes with clothes. We hope these basic rules inspire you to curate your wardrobe with confidence and creativity. If you have any tips or personal experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things fashion here at 999 Accessories. Until next time, stay stylish and keep expressing yourself through the art of fashion. Thanks for watching.